If I'm gonna go, I'm gonna go all the way.
We all wake up and try and do what we can, but not everything will always go according to plan. Listen to me carefully, to one thing true: life is what you make it, not what happens to you. Nobody can tell you what it is to be free, but if you want it, you can follow me.
'Cause if I'm gonna go, I'm gonna go all the way.
Hey, hey, I'm going all the way.
If I'm gonna fly, I'm burning my wings today.
Hey, hey, I'm gonna fly away.
There's a little use of waiting for life to come along.
So if you're gonna dare to go, well, you better go all the way.